Placement of a design is truly important, but let me show you a little something about this machine to be aware of. A lot of times when you bring a design in, the needle's going to be right where the first stitch is going to start. So if we started stitching, that's where the needle's going to go down, and I believe it's just the middle of this flower first. Same design that I have on the screen. So if I had a point somewhere on my fabric that I wanted to center the design on, okay, so that would be the point I'm looking for. You're going to go ahead and go to the Alt, and we are going to use that corner to corner check. So if I just do plus, it goes around the top corner on the left, top corner on the right, down and around. But the last thing it goes to, so if I do the minus thing, it goes right to the center. See how that moved down here? It was up here just a little bit. That's the center of the design. But if I had pointed over here that this is my center of the design, I'm going to need to come out of Alt and then move the design as I think it might be closer to that point. Then come back into that area, touch Alt, go minus, that's the quick way, and I can see if I've gotten to the point, maybe even sink the needle down and see if that is where the location is. I know that means going back and forth a few times, but that's the way to find the center of the design. Not all designs save their last stitch or the first stitch in the center, and so that can be different as you go from design to design.